Hey guys, this is my first speaking tutorial, so I hope my microphone works as promised. I hope so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make a really easy thanks and logo for your website. I went on Google and I found these really cool things that I'm going to edit a little bit and I'm gonna create some depth in it. So let's just see what we can do with it. These are really small, as you can see, so not really big, and I'm gonna make it a bit more bigger because I don't want really small fangs. I like it when it's a bit bigger. You can see there's a bit of a problem with the whole thing because it's not really wide. As you can see, it's a really weird picture. I'm just gonna remove the background so that it gets to be one white picture instead of, I have no idea how many colors of white that is, but it's a lot. It's gonna create like one tiny lip of thanks. The reason that my website's called Easy Vam Design is because it's like for really easy tutorials and not that difficult. I choose that name because I like it. Not just that reason, also because I think that my tutorials should be easy, and for that reason I choose really easy design. So just easy things, and as you can see, I've now made my easy fam design sign already. I was going to create a really nice sign. I want to make it really easy, so I would choose this to be a really easy design to share with everyone so that the whole world can see this sign. But I kind of think it's a bit boring still, so we're going to create some extras to this crazy design. And for that, we're gonna use some brushes and brush tools. Right now I don't have any brushes inside my brush tool, which would be considered that it's really empty, and it is because there's like none. Well, there's this. Usually when I clicked on it, there would be a lot of brushes. Yeah, well they're not now, which would explain a lot because I didn't really upload any yet. So I'm gonna upload some brushes towards my brush tool. And I have found a lot of brushes, and I'm gonna upload them now into my brush tool. So let's just get some brushes in. I have no idea which ones I'm gonna use first, so I'm just gonna select a few of the brushes that I got a few not long ago, and I'm just gonna select one of them and just use that one to get it in. I have no idea which one I just clicked, but if it's a good one, I'll just use that one. And it's in here, so as you can see, yep, it's in here. So which one did I choose? Oh, I choose a really nice one. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh yeah, as you can see, I got a really weird kind of brush thing right now. Well, that's probably because my caps lock's on. So if you press caps lock, you're having a brush again. So just press it and your brush tool will be back. That easy, people. It's that easy. So click on it and you have your brush back. Yay, you can see exactly what you're doing instead of you see some really weird thing, which isn't handy when you're creating a brush. So we're just gonna use a brush tool. Okay, so the white color is now white. I don't want white because white's really normal and easy. So I'm just gonna create some with some red and some red splatters. I want to make it like a really giving it like a splatter kind of effect. I know it's really too like not that color for like the really reddish color, so I'm just gonna get some more red in and create some more splatters and make it more like a blood scene, because that would make it really look cool as a sign. So now we got EasyVam design in this kind of way. This is the size of it originally. So if you scroll, as you go back to 100, this is the size now of my sign. I know it's really not really being readable, but for that problem, we're gonna make it more seen. So I'm just gonna add some extra things. I'm gonna use the gradient tool. I don't know how many people have not used this one before because I haven't used it in one of my tutorials yet, which I'm working on. Explaining how to get these things to work is really easy, but you need to know where to find these because they're just all over the internet. You can find these kind of things. I'm working on creating them myself, which will be up on my website soon to buy or to get. which you could be working with. Let's just use some red for the finishing touch. And it's now set on screen, and I want it to be on normal, so I'm just gonna use a normal. Use a bit of a spread. It's like seen more seen. I think I'm going with 8% because I like it. It's 89. Look at that. It looks cool. Looks really awesome. I mean, yeah, this looks awesome. I like this way. I think I'm going with this. I'm not sure if I should go on full color yet. I think this looks cool. I'm gonna replace it a bit more to the side because now it's like in the middle. It's better if it's in the middle and then on the side. I like this design that it's like a really reddish thing. I think it should be a little less opacity. So I changed opacity now, and I think I like this one. I think I like it. It's cool. I'm gonna use a little bit more of brushes, and I think I'm going with the really like nice touch. This is a really big brush. Look at that. Really awesome. Look at that now. Looks really cool. Ooh, has a really cool effect. Some dark colors in it as well. Some dark. Look at that. I like it. Has a bit of more of a dark texture. Looks pretty awesome, I think. So let's go with this. I think I like it. I think I'm done with it now. What do you guys think? Do you think it's done? I think it's done. Well, ooh, that looks well. I don't like that. Remove it. If you want to remove things, you think that you did something wrong, press Control Alt Z. That's going back. If you go to Edit, you'll see it's Control Z or Control Alt Z, which is just to go back, and forward is Shift Control Z. So that's about it. That's really handy when you're working with these things and you're like made a mistake or anything. So yeah, let's just work with brushes and stuff. I like working with brushes. I think they're awesome. Yeah. I have my own tablet right now, and I love my tablet. It's my little thing, so I use it a lot, and I like playing with it. So yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna create a little border around it so it gives more of a bloody effect. Ta-da. I like it now. I think it's cool. What do you guys think? I like it. So I guess that this would be my logo for my website. Yeah. Let's just save it and put it onto the website. If I haven't checked my website out, please do, and check it out, because that would be really awesome. And now I'm just gonna say that I think I'm not done yet. But I saved it now, but I think I'm done. But I think I need to do one little thing yet. I'm just gonna do that one little thing that I had in mind. I just changed the levels, as you can see. I made it more like really darkish. Really evil kind of thing. Kinda like that. So I'll just keep it this way. I think I like it now. Much better, and I like the whole teeth thing. It's more like of that color. I think I'm gonna save it again, and I'll just say that I saved it again. And EasyVamp Design has a second design for the logo. So I hope you guys like this whole tutorial, and it's been spoken. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.